It's holiday caroling time again. Are you ready? The Holiday Singalong Piano Workshop is a very unique course or collection of courses designed to teach you simple yet effective accompaniment strategies for all of the most popular Christmas and holiday songs, from Jingle Bells to Frosty the Snowman. In this workshop, you will learn how to assemble the perfect holiday songbook tailored to your skill level. You'll learn 6 simple accompaniment strategies that work for 95% of all holiday songs. Everything from Joy to the World, Silent Night, to Silver Bells and Frosty and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the whole shaboodle. You'll learn how to play great introductions that will get people singing along. And once I teach you each of these techniques, I will take you step by step through songs to show you how to put this material to good use. You can stop struggling with sheet music and learn the secret to playing a ton of songs without a lot of preparation. This course includes a 90-minute video course with close-up of the piano, sheet music for all of the songs demonstrated in the course, a 20-page downloadable course book, and you'll get custom downloadable lyric books with 65 songs, lyrics to all 65 of them, that will be perfect for you to hand out at your next sing-along. There's also a free Piano for Singers bonus that will help you to improve your chording and more. Not only that, since I first created this course a couple of years ago, I've actually created a couple of courses to accompany it, including a Christmas Song-a-Palooza, where I take you through a whole variety of songs and show you how to bring them to life using my arrangement techniques. Plus, you'll get an entire collection of winter and Christmas songs, including songs by the Counting Crows, Elvis Presley, Vince Guaraldi from Charlie Brown, and more. Plus, you'll get a bonus course called Jazzy Christmas, where you'll learn how to play jazzy versions of all of your favorite Christmas songs. And that comes with a whole collection of downloadable lead sheets for high voice and low voice. You'll get a functional kit of absolutely every skill that you need to be successful and the star of the show during the holiday season. The Holiday Singalong Piano Workshop is just one of the courses that is included in the Versatile Musician, my unique all-inclusive membership that combines a wide range of music skills into an easy-to-use site. Members get unlimited access to hundreds of video tutorials and courses, meticulously notated print materials, practice guidance, and live support from me. The Versatile Musician includes 28 unique courses, over 90 unique song tutorials complete with downloadable printables, over 1,000 unique tutorials, monthly Zoom workshops on topics requested by members, and live support from me. The Versatile Musician is designed to be a place where you can take what you need to be able to develop your own skills. It's fully customizable, and you'll get help from me every step of the way. For a low monthly fee or an annual fee that includes 2 months for free, you get to work on all of the subjects you can think about in music, from music theory to musicianship to singing technique to piano skills to custom topics like jazz, pop, rock and roll, and blues. Join today at the Versatile Musician.